It is early, and welcome to the best week of the year. Welcome to Monterey Car Week. This is a cold startup on a Koenigsegg. I also got to apologize. It was very, very early. My voice is squeaking like crazy. Let's go, baby! Oh my gosh. Okay, we got to taper down. Save it for the owner's drive. Owner's drive. Wow, we're an owner, kind of. I'm leasing the car, but regardless, I'd like to shout out the leasing company. They're very generous. Very generous. Very thoughtful. Also, Sophia, welcome back to the United States of America. It's about time. The Viola Pacific cars look crazy. We got the matte black Revuelto as well. I don't know. What's up, brother man? He's got a Koenigsegg hoodie as well. I think we might be here first. Let's go. Who would have guessed, honestly?
Or we got the wrong spot.
Or we got the wrong spot, which is honestly probably more likely. It's just something about the Monterey ambiance. All the colors look so crazy. We got Bass, we got Pacific, and the matte black. I don't know where these guys are going. I kind of want to be a part of it, but the Koenigsegg squad should be here soonish, maybe. It's the matte black Revuelto looks as an actual Batmobile. Oh my goodness. You're kidding me, Sophie? This is crazy. Let's go. You got the hood. Let's see the merch. Are you kidding me? 30 years of performance. They're all coming out today. This is going to be insane. Inside sources tell me there's going to be about 20. Oh, that's Christian driving it himself. That's a world record car. 0 to 400 to 0 in 27.83 seconds. The absolute parking right next to me. As you do, right? That's pretty cool. That is so sick. Well, we just got the queue. We're actually going to move all the Koenigsegg's over there in the back lot. So this is a cold startup on the Yesco Absolute. Oh my gosh, this thing is so crazy. I would imagine in the very near future, this might be the fastest production car in the world. More to come. We got the YRBC, but wait for it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Cinque, the Zanda Cinque. That might be maybe the coolest car in the world, maybe. It's like the parting of the Red Seas right now. Alex, look at that laugh, look at the smile, the pearly whites. You gotta join the squadron.
I'm standing next to Vader for a reason.
I know.
It'll be for sale someday.
You're gonna find one. It doesn't even matter. It doesn't matter what Koenigsegg. We got the final Agera right there. But brother, if we could get one of those.
It's like your Countach, triple white, baby.
So good. The white wheels, this thing is so insane. It sounds so good. Oh my gosh, Sophie.
That's like my favorite.
Yep, that's the one. That's the one, Bell 40. Stop drooling, brother man.
You know I'm not a white car guy, but when done right, there's nothing like white.
Yes, sir. You got to join the squadron, Nelly. Forget Alex. Oh, why am I always talking to you? Nelly,
seriously.
you're the one who makes the decisions, right?
Yeah, yes.
You sign the checks.
Yes.
You have the SEO,
Yeah, exactly. That's right. Yes, exactly. Tom Pickles, brother. You're a little quiet right now.
Alex, you gotta do it.
He's gotta do it. How are we gonna make this happen?
Steve did it.
Yeah, Steve. If Steve can do it.
You know how we make it happen? We shake on it, because that's what always,
Whoa.
By the
What's
end
the
of the
date?
year?
What's the date?
End of the year? By the end of the year.
End of the year CCX, if not CC850.
Oh, can
Or
you get an allocation?
I want an Agera RS, but there's none for sale.
Yes, there is. I can get you one. I know a guy. I got a guy. This thing is so sick. Oh my gosh. That Sophie. We need more. We need more. Now, Sophia and I are going back and forth. What if we wrap the HH white with white wheels? I'd have to get aftermarket wheels though, because they're carbon fiber, so that would not be possible. But man, the triple white looks so insanely good. This is so incredibly surreal. I mean, 7 years ago, I was riding passenger as a car spotter. My buddy Mike Yin let me ride in his Agera. And now fast forward to 2024, we're cruising with the squadron, the Koenigsegg squad. The Ghost Squadron. You just never know exactly what you're gonna see. That's the car that I rode in with Houston, and we got an R34 kind of sneakily up there. We'll catch him, don't worry. Yesco, the first one in the United States, and the CC850, and somewhere in the rear view, you can kind of see the Zonda Cinque as well. This is gonna be wild. No tickets today. No. We're driving very, very, very slow today. I did not want to be that guy in the Koenigsegg group. Oh, Sophie, this is sick. Let's go in the Koenigsegg. Oh my gosh. All right, the sea level, the elevation, we're cooking. This is how we do it right here. That CC850 on the road looks so good. I'm obsessed with that car. I'd seen the silver one before and that was cool. That is so insane. The triple white. Oh my gosh, it sounds so good too. Christian von Koenigsegg, you absolute genius. Alright, little Shake and Bake Nation for the viewers right there. Oh my gosh. It's so cool to see all the different generations, and of course, the oldest one in the group, we got the CCR from Canada as well. A little bit of home slice. Here in America, the CCR that is exquisite. Exquisite. I like that. I gotta get a better plate for my car.
You do.
I don't know, guys, in the comments below, what license plate do we get? I know Ghostbuster, okay. What? No, but That's for the Ghostbuster. That's the Koenigsegg Killer. We don't want to bust the ghost. More to come. The coolest part about all the Koenigsegg's, it's like a 2-for-1.
Yes, exactly.
And it's carbon fiber, so it's lightweight.
Yes, very lightweight. The wind is a bit...
It's like an airplane wing right there. Dude, all the Koenigsegg guys are so nice.
They're so nice.
It's like one giant family. And like I said, I've been filming with the Koenigsegg group for so long, and now we're like, they've always treated me like family, and now we're like officially family. I'm looking at the clock. You're in last place, brother man. I thought you were gonna smoke me. And of course, the Absolute. So insane. Absolute or Attack? I think, I don't know, I can't decide.
They're both good.
Girth Nation, baby, but the Absolute, world's fastest car, maybe coming soon. Maybe, I have no idea. Just a slice of Yesco with a side of LFA. Well, boys, all good things must come to an end, but I think we gotta finish it with the first customer Yesco in the world. That thing is popping like crazy. It looks like a spaceship on the road. That thing, the Yesco. Oh my. Wow. That thing is popping. That's like a thunderstorm. Jeez. What? The absolute madman. I think it's safe to say we have officially arrived to Exotics on Broadway. I want to say we got 15, maybe 16 Koenigseggs. This is absolutely insane. Unbelievable. This car though, oh my gosh, it's so good. We got Christian right there, go right on by. So cool. This is absolute chaos. I have no idea how we're ever gonna get out of here. This is Car Week, ladies and gentlemen. In the moment right here. All right, what's up? Yeah, right? This is insane. Party of the Red Sea, baby. Hello, brother man. Monterey Police is shutting us down. I had no idea. Sophie, this is crazy. There are so many people here. If you guys have never been to Exotics on Broadway, there is nothing quite like it. There's a lot of Koenigseggs, but there is everything else. It's also air conditioning. It's just. Thank you. This is crazy. I have never been to a car show with so many people. This is unbelievable. What's up, bro? What's up? Let's go, baby. Oh, good to see y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got Sebastian getting the shot. Can I get a picture? Sure. Let's go, baby. I love you. Thank you. Yeah, sure. Thank you. What's up, Sebastian? Let's go, baby. We've been driving through this crowd for like 30 minutes right now. I feel like it's so hot in here as well. I don't actually know if I'm allowed to rev it, but you know what? If we go to jail, we go together, Soph.
I won't go down.
No, you're guilty. You're going down with the ship. Soph is going. Wait, you're gonna leave me? You'll bail me out, though, right?
I'll bail you out.
All right. She'll bail me out. We're good. We got a couple homies. We got the TheStradman, baby. Let's go.
I'll bill you out.
She's gonna make me spend at least one night in jail, probably, right? I don't know if we're allowed to. 2 nights?
2 nights.
Nah. You wanna hear it? Let's do it. What's up? Oh, hallelujah. We are those people now. We're that bougie. Look at you. That works so good. You look beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is so hot. We have been driving through this crowd of people for legit 30 minutes. There must be 50,000 people here.
I'm ready to go to bed.
Yeah, it's time for a nap. Well, we're now randomly on Laguna Seca with all the Koenigseggs. Kind of sort of missed the sequence of events, but yeah. Out of nowhere, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Alex Choi. That's up, bro. Now there is a very, very special car in between these semis. This might be my favorite Bugatti in the world. We got the Jacob & Co. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. The spec on this thing is out of control. The colors are so good. This man knows what's up. What's up, brother? You shipping this thing? It's beautiful. Favorite Bugatti I've ever seen. I love it.
What about the red black one in there?
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
Blue and red.
Oh, you got the whole load. Your insurance policy must be high.
Yes, it is.
I love it. Well, safe travels.
It must be high too, because I can see that.
Amen. Safe travels, dude. That thing is gorgeous. That is the one, especially here on the Pacific Ocean. It is so good. My, the Jacob & Co. Bugatti Chiron Supersport. Car Week just continues to amaze. Look at that. What? That is a Diablo. Is that an SVR? What in the world? And of course, the McLaren Speedtail, the 3-seater as well. That Yesco spec is so good. And of course, naturally, P1 right there, cleaner than your church shoes, and a square. This lineup might be the best of Car Week. Got the Zonda Nero, but check it out, the final Zonda. the Arrivederci, I don't know how to pronounce it, and of course the Aston Martin Valkyrie. I just had to stop to check this thing out. This is the craziest car of Monterey Car Week, full carbon fiber, the final Pagani Zonda. Of course, got another Zonda right there, but this thing, the way in the sun, that carbon fiber is just glistening. The 760, one of the coolest cars in the world for sure, and we got the Valkyrie right there. But we gotta run. We're trying to bob and weave between Koenigsegg's human beings, Clayton's in the Carbon Aventador, we got the Mercy, we got the CCX. We are gonna follow and try to keep up. Tom Pickles? Are we racing, bro?
I'll lose again.
I want
you $5.
round 2, baby. I gotta make the car payment.
That's fine with me.
All right, let's do it. And around Houston in the GT, the chaos of Car Week only continues. We got a De Tomaso Pantera. That's a 997 GT3 RS, yes sir. Ooh, we got a Manuel Murcielago. Let's go, Monterey Blue. Out of nowhere, Clayton just picked up a homie in a row. That's Utah's Damon. We got the full Gintani setup as well. That thing is POTUS. Bro, this color's insane.
Thanks, dude.
It's so good. It sounds good too. Is that factory? Bro. That ain't factory.
Yeah.
You dog. This guy took, you didn't even take delivery. You had it straight shipped to Gintani, first in the world. Bro, that sounds sick. Good to see you, man. Jeez, that's so good. What? That Revuelto sounds crazy. Just listen to that thing idling. Honestly, Gintani versus Gintani right now. I'd love to hear a rev off, but we're headed off to the Koenigsegg house. This video is very, very confusing, but that is an 812 comp in a very, very nice spec. Well done, sir. Ooh, hello. What? Where did that come from? Okay, that voice squeak was a little bit, a lot. That was a lot. That was a P1 HDK though. Goodness gracious, couple Gintanis right here. Aventador versus Revuelto. That thing sounds crazy. We're just sitting here. There's a blue carbon shear. All right, that, well, oh, whoa. Purple SVJ. We got the CCGT being towed, being pulled over by the police. What? I mean, the tow, yeah, that's crazy. That is a 1 of 1. That is the only factory race car Koenigsegg has ever built, and it got pulled over by Highway Patrol, as you do, Car Week. I've never seen anything quite like it. We got the orange Hummer EV. I miss my EV so much. We also have the orange NSX right there. There's something about the colors up here at Carmel Valley Ranch, also matte black SF90. It's crazy to see the color difference between the orange. We have a Roncio Atlas, Roncio Atlas. Sorry, I got confused. It's hot. I sat in traffic for an hour, and we have a Roncio POTUS. And Clayton, sir. I was looking at the Hummer EV, and I didn't even know the Chiron Persport Extreme. This is one of the final Chirons to be produced, and somehow that, yeah, anyways, look at that, that's sick. This might be one of the greatest colors I've ever seen in my life. So it's called Carrossery Orange, and ironically enough, my 812 Superfast is at Carrossery in Pennsylvania. That shop developed this color on the Agera XS. We got the Super Sport Extreme, and then out of nowhere, we got the Wyvern Roadster as well. But this color, I wish you guys could see this in person. Absolutely beautiful. And then Utopia. There's something so cool when the sunlight hits the blue carbon fiber. It really brings out the turquoise. So this is the Super Sport Extreme, and it's my understanding this is the final Chiron ever to be built, like this exact car. Listen, you listen to me. Mr. Belforti, Maximus Belfortius.
It may not be the pink lemonade.
No, you
smoothie
didn't,
from
you
McDonald's,
dog.
But we did our best in there.
Ooh!
Did you drink
1, 2, 3.
No.
Sophia and I share. Clayton,
No,
you
no,
get your
no,
Yeah, you need it. You gotta bulk up. No. Stop being too healthy, okay? Nah, this guy, you're
That's
getting...
sufficient.
Really?
Smells.
You don't want any? Clayton,
Smells great.
SC30 purple Lamborghini Diablo. That thing's wicked. Dude, we gotta trade straight up. Let's trade. We have another Arancio POTUS Revuelto, and check out that San Strato. That's so sick, bro. Love it. Also, nice colored Bentley. Let's go, baby. That's so sick. Oh, what? Brother man. Car Week 2024, baby. This is how we do it. The sound of that thing is so good. Oh my gosh. All right, boys, we got to keep working hard. Obviously, I love this car, but man, a matching spec would be absolute goals. Well, boys, we're having a moment right now on 17 Mile in the Koenigsegg Jesko. That thing is pumping like crazy, and so is my car. Oh, this is what dreams are made of, boys.